Hello students. The definitive "I'll see you in my dreams" is these days considered Joe Brown's version at the finale of the Concert for George Harrison. He plays it, and it was the first piece that made me want to play ukulele. And true story, it was long after that that I started. It's been done by many different people. I think Ukulele Ike, Rudy Valley, a number of people have done it over the years, and it dates back to the 1920s. But the our version is the version that was recommended, was suggested. A student actually put it down in a suggestion box, and it's this one. Now it begins with a very it's called lines. When they have intros to these old-timey songs, they're like introductions. They don't sound exactly like the song, but they're called lines. It's like an intro. And this one has a real iconic one, and it starts with the F, then a D minor. So you have just these two fingers, and you're doing a down, down, up, and then you add the ring finger for the D minor. It's a D minor. And you do a strum. And then you add the pinky to the 4th fret on the C string. And I would keep the ring finger on the D minor down. Keep it down because you're just going to release. Now that might be a stretch. On a soprano or a concert ukulele, it won't be as difficult as on a tenor of the larger version. Let's look at it right now. Let me go back to the chart. And so here, the first line was all we dared do at our lesson Tuesday. And so you have the F, the F6, or it's actually D minor if you recognize it. And then that F major 7th is when you're stretching out your pinky. And 4 times. And of course the words when you get to that part, though the days are long. And then the next line, look at D7, D, and then D add 9, and you go back to D. So it's twilight sings a song, back to D. So let me demonstrate that in a close-up and personal. So it's D7th, so it's D7, then this. You have the D add 9, back to D. So let's look at that again. Well, a slow motion, you'd be doing this. Yeah, just say, all the days are long, twilight sings its song. Yeah, you'll take that very slow. Let's go back and look at it though. Yes. Oh, and look ahead. The B flat minor 6. It's a bar on the 1st fret of the first 3 strings 1, 2, and 3, and then C7th we know, G7th we know, F, and then again the intro, that sequence. So very slowly, first verse, a 1, 2, 3, and though the days are long, twilight sings its song. If you could get that down, that's a good chunk. Again, a 1, a 2, a slow tempo verse 1. Though the days are long, twilight sings a song. All the happiness I used to be. Yeah, that used to be. I think I said I used to be. So anyway, yes. And then as you look further, hey, that's the hardest part of the song. Soon my eyes will close. Soon I'll find repose. And in dreams, you're always near to me. And then the song. This is the line. This is the intro. And then the song. I'll see you in my dreams. And that's on a B flat. Yeah, see you in my dreams. Hold you in my dreams. Great, great song. Look forward to continuing this. Good luck.